first graders, welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 4, lesson 3. So please get your book ready, page 169, and let's start. Continue to make 10 to subtract. That's what we covered in the previous lesson. And we're going to continue, have more practice and more examples to answer using subtract to continue using the 10 frames. All right, let's see what we have.
Emily counts on to find 13 minus 6. She makes 10 while counting. Use the 10 frames to explain what Emily could have done.
All right. So she counts on, right? Remember when we count on? We go for that small number and we count on till we reach the big number that we need to do using the 10 frame, right?
Counting on to make 10 can help you subtract.
These 10 frames will help show how.
14 minus 6 equals. Start with 6. How many counters are in the 10 frame? 6 counters are in the 10 frame. How could you find out how many more counters would make 10?
If you look at the 10 frames, you see that there are 4 boxes empty to make 10.
You could count up. Add 4 to 6 to make 10. How many yellow counters are in the 10 frame? 4 yellow counters are in the 10 frame. How many yellow counters were added to 6 in order to make 10? Select your answer.
We added 4 counters to have 10. So we have 6 first, the red 6 counters. We added 4 more yellow counters to have my 10 frame full. So 4.
4 yellow counters were added to 6 to make 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Add 4 more to make 14. How many did you count on? How many more yellow counters were added to 10 in order to make 14?
Very good. 4. Because first we added 4 to make 10, and now we add 4 more to make 14. So that's total 4 and 4, double 4, 8.
4 more yellow counters were added to 10 in order to make 14. 10 plus 4 equals 14. How could you find out how many counters were added to 6 to make 14? You could add the yellow counters. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 6 plus 4 plus 4 equals 14. 6 plus 8 equals 14. You added 8 to 6 to make 14. So 14 minus 6 equals 8. Which equations show how many you counted on? Both 6 plus 4 plus 4 equals 14 and 6 plus 8 equals 14 show how many you counted on.
So when you look at it, it's explain what's the 8, which we see it now 4 to make 10 and 4 to make 14. So that's why total were 8.
Since you know that 6 plus 8 equals 14, what is 14 minus 6? Explain. 14 is the whole, and 6 is one of the parts for the addition equation and the subtraction problem. So the other part is the same for the subtraction problem. So 14 minus 6 equals 8. Now you know how counting on can help you subtract.
All right, remember when we taken previous lesson that think addition to subtract? So that's exactly what we're doing here. So we know that 6 plus 8 equals 14. That's mean 14, take away 6 will give us 8. But we use the 10 frame, making 10 frames, and that's why we have 8 counters, which is 4 and 4, 4 and 4, using count on. All right. So if you want to use what we just watched to answer this question, let's see again.
Emily counts on to find 13 minus 6. She makes 10 while counting. Use the 10 frames to explain what Emily could have done.
So remember, we can say 13 take away 6. So what I'm taking away? 6. Since we're gonna count on, I know when I count on after the small number. So I'm gonna use 6 counters first in yellow, in red. Then I'm gonna count on to make 10. All right. So what am I doing? I'm counting on and I want to make 10. Let's go. Use different. And here's 1, 2, 3, 4. I made 10 now. How many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to add. Very good. So if I have 10 to take away 6, and I have total 13. So how many I need? Yes, 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. Now these are the 13. If I count, how many counters did I add in yellow? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13 take away 6 equals 7. Let me use. All right, so let's see the independent practice. Let's do the guided practice together first, then go for the independent practice. All right, subtract. Count on to make 10. Complete each fact to find the difference. So here they break it apart for you to help you understand. 13 take away 9. So what are we doing? How many do I need to make 10? I have 9, right? I'm taking away 9. Because I'm count on. So if I'm counting on after 9, how many counts or how many numbers I will add to make 10? Only 1. So I'm gonna put 1 counter. So that's 9 plus 1 give me 10 because I'm making 10 frames. All right. Now my total number, the one I'm taking away was 13. So I have 10. I need to add 3 more to make 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13, right? Now, I have, how many counters I add them in all? I have 1 here and I have 3 in a second, 10 frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's mean 9, the red counters, plus 4 equals 13. So let me put 4. Why 4? I'm counting counters that I add them. I'm going to color them blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9, the red counters, my second addend, plus 4 equals 13. So that's mean 13, take away 9. If I have this is 13, take away 9. Will give me, very good, 4. Okay, so let's do one more exercise from the independent practice to make sure that we understand. And you know, we always can rewind the video, watch it again, and take your time. So subtract, count on to make 10. Show your work and complete the facts. So go step by step. 12, take away 8. 12, take away 8. In my first 10 frames, I have the 8, which is the second addend. Well, we need to make 10. So how many more counters I need to add to make 10? I see 2 empty boxes, so I know that I need to add 2 counters. So that means 8 red counters plus 2 equals 10. Let's fill this part. All right. My total number were 12. I already made 10. I need to add 2 more to make 12 because I know 10 plus 2 equals 12. Let's write down 2. These 2, I just add them. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. That means 8. My 8 counters plus how many did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 plus 4 equals, awesome, 12. So 12 take away 8 equals 4. Because I know that 8 plus 4 equals 12. 12 minus 8 equals 4. All right. So that was it for today's lesson. I leave you with the rest of the activity. Have fun and enjoy. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 4, lesson 4. So please open your math book, page 173. Let's start. What do we have today? Fact families.
Can you write 2 addition and 2 subtraction facts that use the numbers 8, 9, and 17? Use cubes to help you.
So how this will work? We need to add 2 addend to make certain number to give me the total. So the numbers I have, 9, 8, and 17. And I know this is doing an addition fact, and this is right to addition fact. So I'm going to start first with my addition. So my total is 17, and I have 8 and 9. So let's do this one. I'm going to write 17. And then I'm going to have 8. And 9, putting the second addend at the second part, 9. And I'm going to use cubes. So I'm going to use my counters to fill 8 on one side and 9 on the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to use different color for my second addend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Now, what do I need to do? I need to write 2 different addition and 2 different subtraction. Okay. So first, what do I have? 8 plus 9 equals 17. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. Right? What can I do? I know that if I used my addends in a different order, my sum or my total will remain the same. So I'm going to use 9 plus 8 equal 17. So let's write this. And that would be my second addition facts. So 9 plus 8 equal 17. I'm going to Put this down here. So this is my first two additions, facts. I know if I have my two addends in a different order, or switch them or use them in a different order, my sum or my total or my sum or my total will be the same. All right. Now we need to do subtraction. So I have my total 17 and I have one addend 8 and one addend 9. So here I can do 17 take away 8. Very good. So let's write this. 17. That's my total. One of the addend. So I'm using the first addend 8. Of course, will give me the second one. So 17. That's my total. Take away 8 equals 9. You think if I take 17, take away 9, very good, will give me 8. So let's write this one down now. 17, take away 9 equals 8. Right. Let's watch our video.
You can write two addition facts for this part-whole mat. 9 plus 6 equals 15, and 6 plus 9 equals 15. How are the two addition equations alike?
I'm using the same addend, but in different orders. So 9 and 6, or 6 and 9. So both are the same addends as I used them before. So, and only changing the order.
They have the same three numbers, 9, 6, and 15. How are the addition equations different? The 6 and 9 parts have switched places. Do you get the same sum or a different sum when you add the parts in a different order?
Select your answer.
We get the same sum. 9 plus 6 equals 15, and 6 plus 9 equals 15. So we get the same.
You get the same sum. So you can add the parts in any order. You can also write two subtraction facts. One subtraction fact is 15 minus 6 equals 9. How can you show the parts of the fact family? Think about this question as you do the activity that comes next. What is 15 in the part-whole mat? It is the whole. What is the part you know? 6 is the part you know. Subtract one part from the whole. What is the part that is covered? 9 is the part that's covered. So 9 equals 15 minus 6. The other subtraction fact is 15 minus 9 equals 6. How is this subtraction equation like the one you saw before?
We still have the same numbers.
It has the same three numbers. How is it different?
They come in different order again.
The 6 and 9 have switched places. Also, a different part is subtracted from 15. Subtract the other part from the whole. So, 9 is subtracted from 15 instead of 6. Look at these facts. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 6 plus 9 equals 15. 15 minus 6 equals 9. And 15 minus 9 equals 6. These facts are related. They are a fact family. Why are these equations called a fact family? The equations use the same numbers and they are related. Now you know what a fact family is.
So, fact family because we're using the same number. We have the same sum or the total, and we have the parts. And we know if we add two parts in different orders, my sum will be the same. And if I subtract one part from the sum, I will get the missing one. And if I cover the missing one and I subtract it from the total, I will get the other part, which is related fact or fact family. All right, let's see our guided practice. All right, write the fact family for each model. So we have two questions. Question number 1, 14 equals 6 plus 8. This is my total 14. I have two parts. First part, the red counters, if I count them, there's 6. And then the second part, if you count them, 8. So 14 equals 6 plus 8. All right. So that means 14 equals 8 plus 6. We agreed that if you put your addend and addition in a different order, you still get the same sum. So total will be remain 14 if I put 6 plus 8 or 8 plus 6. All right. Now let's see, we have the total and we cover or we hide one part. So if we hide the this part, the yellow part, so if we say 14, that's the total, take away the 6, which is the 6 counters, it will give me the hidden or the yellow counters 8. And if I say 14, and now I'm taking away the other part, which is 8, so the answer will be 6. So they are related facts or fact family. So let's do this for 16. Question number 2, your total 16, and we have 2 addend. So what do we have? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 and very good 7. So let's write this. 9 plus 7 equals 16. So let's put it down. Okay, so that's my red counters. 9 plus the 7 counters, the yellow, equals 16. Now let's do another addition fact using the same addends and same number, but switch them or use them in a different order. So I'm going to say 7 plus 9 equals 16. So let's write this down. 7 plus 9, my sum or total will be still 16. Let's put it down here. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. Now we need to do the subtraction. So I can start with 16 and I take away the 7, or 16 and I take away the 9. Let's do 16, take away minus 9 equals 16 take away 9 equals, very good, 7. So let's put it down. Now let's go for another way to write my subtraction equation. What if I took the other part, so I know that 7 and 9 is the missing part. So 16 take away 7 or minus 7 equals 9. Let's put it down. So now 16 take away 7 equals 9. So now we know that the orders of this equation, in addition, it didn't make any difference. I still have the same sum. Okay, let's do one exercise from our independent practice. Make it easy for you. All right, write the facts family for each model. Let's do number 3 together. Total 17. My two parts 9 and 8. It's easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 9 plus 8 equals, very good, 17. So 9 plus 8, these are my two parts, and this is my total or sum. All right, so 9 plus 8 equals 17. What if I start with the 8, the second part first, and then I add the first part? You think my sum will change? No, we agree on that you can put your add-in for addition in a different order, and you still get the same answer or the same sum. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. So let's put this down. All right. So now we need to do what's next? Subtraction. Very good. 17. If I hide this part, so 17 take away 9, my answer will be the second part 8, or the opposite. If I say 17 take away 8, my answer will be 9. So let's do it. So 17 take away 8 equals 9. Now I'm going to hide the 9, and I hide the 8 and get the 9. So let's do this. 17 away 9 equals 8. Easy, right? Okay, I will let you have fun. Continue the rest of the activities in your book. Okay, that was it for today's lesson, first graders. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 4, lesson 5. Use addition to subtract. Let's see what we have. Please open your book, page 177.
12 minus 9 equals what number? How can you use a related fact to help you find the difference? Write the related addition and subtraction facts. Use counters to help you.
When we say how to find a missing number or related addition in order to subtract, so I'm looking for total 12, one part 9. So I will be looking for the second part. I'm asking myself question, 9 plus what equals 12? Or so when you think addition, you get the answer for subtraction. So today we're going to be doing two equations. So we will be doing addition and subtraction, because you think in addition to find the difference or to answer your subtraction.
"13 minus 8 equals..." Let's think about it.
Use addition to help you subtract.
To solve 13 minus 8, do you need to find a part or a whole? You need to find a part. What number is the whole?
Select your answer.
This is our whole number. This is one part, and I'm looking for the second part. So if I have the second part plus that part I have, it should give me the whole. So my whole is 13.
13 is the whole. What is the part you know?
Select your answer.
Very good.
8 is the part you know. How do you know which number is a part and which number is the whole?
I look for a small number to get the whole because I know two parts will make one big part.
13 is greater than 8. So 13 must be the whole and 8 must be one of the parts. You will use addition to help you subtract. Here is the addition problem. 8 plus equals 13. To solve this problem, you can ask this question. 13 minus 8 equals... Let's think about it. Remember, a sum is the answer you get when adding. Which number is the sum in this addition problem? 13 is the sum. The part missing in the addition problem is the same missing part in the subtraction problem. Let's find the missing number using the part-whole mat. Model the addition fact. What equations does this model show?
So we get the missed number. Count on to get the missing number, either using addition to subtract or subtract the whole number from one part to get the second part or the missing part.
8 plus 5 equals 13, and 13 minus 8 equals 5. What are the parts in the model? 8 and 5 are the parts in the model. Which number in the part-whole mat is missing in both equations? The missing part is 5. 8 plus 5 equals 13, so 13 minus 8 equals 5. You have learned how to use addition to help you subtract.
All right, so let's go back to the examples we have. 12 minus 9 equals. So how can you use related fact to help you find the difference? Write the related addition and subtraction facts. Use counters to help. So now I know that my whole number is 12. So let's write 12. I know one part is 9. And I need the missing part. That means 9 plus something equals 12. So if I use the addition fact, I'll be using 9 plus something equals 12, right? So let's put 8 counters, 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have 9 counters. I'm looking for my missing part or the second part. So I'm asking myself question, 9 plus what equals 12? So if I'm going to use a strategy for count on, I know after 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many counters did I add? 3. That means 9 plus 3 equals 12. So let's write this down. 3. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to move 3 here. So now 9 plus 3 equals 12. That means 12, go back to my equation, 12 minus 9, give me that part I just found out. Very good. 3. So let's write, so 12 minus 9, the part I know, equals the hidden part or the part that was missing, and I just found it. All right, let's go to our guided practice. Complete each model, then complete the equation. 14 take away 8. So I know my total is 14. That's 14. I know one part is 8, and I'm looking for the missing part, the part that I need to find. So I'm saying 8 plus something equals 14. Count on strategy. It's easy for me. So I'm counting on after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I stopped on 14 because that's my whole number. That's my sum. How many counters did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. Go back to my equation. So 14 take away 8 equals 6. So think addition or use addition to find the subtraction or the difference for your subtraction. Okay, let's go for number 2. 17 take away 9. My total 17, the part I know 9. So I'm asking myself question, 9 plus something equals 17. Let's count on. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many did I put? How many counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 plus 8 equals 17. So that's mean, back to my equation, 17 take away 9. Very good. Answer is 8. So let's take it, put it in over here. So now, think in addition to find my subtraction answer or the difference. So let's go do one more from your independent practice, page 179, and then you will do the rest. Okay, complete each model, then complete the equation. 13 take away 9. So my whole number 13, one part I know 9, I need the missing number. I'm asking myself, 9 plus what? Give me 13. Let's use count on and draw some counters. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many counters did I put? 4. Very good. So let's write 4. So now I know 9 plus 4 equals 13. Go back to my equation, 13, take away 9 equals, awesome, 4. Easy. Okay, I will leave you for the rest of the activity. finish all your page and have fun with this new lesson, and easy as well. Think addition to subtract. That was it for today's lesson. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are still in topic 4, today's lesson, lesson 6. We're still going to have a little more activities using addition to subtract. So let's see what we have. Open your book, page 181.
Complete the subtraction facts. Draw lines from the subtraction facts to the addition facts that can help you. How are the subtraction facts and the addition facts alike?
All right. We remember and we covered in a previous lesson that if you have a whole number and you have one part, we can get the missing part. And we said if we think addition, look at my part I have plus what will give you that whole number I have. So for example, 16 take away 9 equals. I'm asking myself, 9 plus what equals 16? So I'm going here, I'm looking for my sum for addition, that is 16. I see 9 plus 7. So back here, 16 take away 9 equals 7, right? So let's use this. I'm drawing a line and I'm putting here 7 because this is related fact. Seeing this addition, thinking addition, help me to find the answer for the subtraction equation. So 17 take away 8. That's another question. I'm looking for a sum for 8 plus something equals 17. So I'm looking for 8 plus a number, give me 17. 8 plus number, give me 17. Got it. 9 plus 8 equals 17. So that means 17 take away 8 equals 9. So that's my missing part. And this is the related addition equation that helped me to find the missing number in my subtraction. All right, now we have 18 take away 9 equals. That means 9 plus something equals 18. So I'm going back here. I'm looking for an addition fact that if I add 9 to another number, the total or the sum will be 18. And I found it right there. First thing, 9 plus 9 equals 18. I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to write the missing number, which is 9. All right, number 4, 16 take away 7. So my total 16, one part is 7, I'm missing the other part. So I'm looking for an addition fact that number plus 7 or 7 plus a number equals 16. And I think 16 take away 7 equals, very good, 9. So up here, 16 minus 9 equals 7. 16 minus 7 equals 9. Very good. So now last one, 17 take away 9 equals. So I'm looking for 9 plus something equals 17. 9 plus another number equals 17. Do you remember here? 17 take away 8 equals 9. That means if I say 17 take away 9 equals 8. That's this one again. And I'm gonna put my number 8. All right, let's see what we have.
For every subtraction fact, there is a related addition fact. Look at this subtraction fact. 15 minus 7 equals. When you try to solve 15 minus 7, Are you trying to find the whole or a part?
Select your answer.
This is our whole number. This is one part. So we're looking for the second part or the second addend. So part.
You are trying to find a part. You can think addition to help you subtract. Why does it help to think about addition to subtract?
Because we agree that it's related. Think addition to subtract. It's a fact relation.
Addition makes it easier to find the missing part. How could you rewrite 15 minus 7 as an addition problem with a missing number?
I know that this is my sum. I know this is one part and I'm missing another part. So I'm saying 7 plus number equals 15.
7 plus equals 15. What is missing from the addition problem? A part or a whole?
Select your answer.
Very good. A part.
A part is missing. What is the missing part in 7 plus equals 15?
We have the number that if I add it to 7 equals 15, which is 8.
The missing part is 8. How do you know that 8 is the missing number in the addition problem? You know that 8 is the number you add to 7 to make 15. Here is the same subtraction fact you saw before. 15 minus 7 equals... Have you found what you need to solve it? Yes, you need 8. So how does addition help you subtract? If you know that 7 plus 8 equals 15, then you know that when you subtract 7 from 15, 8 is the other part. Now you know how to find a subtraction fact by using the related addition fact.
All right. Let's see our guided practice. Okay, page 182. Complete the addition fact, then solve the related subtraction fact. So we know it's always easy to find the addition facts to get the subtraction. Counting on to reach the whole, and then we can count how many steps or jump we did. So first question, 9 plus something equals 14. So that was the equation. 14 take away 9 equals, so I'm asking myself, if I add number to the 9, my answer would be 14. So you count on and you see how many did you add. So 5 plus 9 equals 14. That means 14 plus 9 equals 5. I have the whole and I have one part. I need the missing part or the second addend. Let's go for number 2. 10 plus something equals 20. My subtraction facts 20 minus 10 equals something. So I'm thinking here, if I add what to the 10, I will have 20. Very good. 10. So I'm going to take the 10 and I put it in a box. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. That means 20 minus 10 equals. Excellent. As we see, we have the whole and we have one part. Let's go for number 3. 7 plus something equals 11. That means 11 minus 7 give me the missing part. So let's think addition. What do I need to add to 7 to have 11? So count on 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 counts, 4 steps, 4 jumps. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. That's mean 11 take away 7 equals, awesome, 4. Very good. Let's go for number 4. 8 plus number give you 13. Now you're thinking, you're asking yourself, my whole 13, one part I know is 8. I need the missing part. So what do I add to 8 to have 13? Let's count on. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We count 5 counts. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. That's mean 13, my whole number take away 8 equals, awesome, was 5. So you can always use the bar graph. We can draw something with a counter to help you. So I can draw like that. And I know that my whole number is 13. And I know that one part is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm asking myself, one part is 8, missing total. So what do I add to the 8 to make 13? So I count them. I had 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many counters did I add? 5. That's your 5. All right. Okay, first graders, that's it for today. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity, independent practice. Do the same, 15, take away 8, 14, take away 9, whatever the answers is. Think addition. Ask yourself, what do I add to that part I have to give me the total? All right, that's it for today's first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.